The first thing I want to address regarding this question is that it states how many of the 21 participants raised less than $56. You gave an answer as a percent, which that's not what the question's asking. How many would be what actual number of participants raised less than $56. With that being said, let's talk about the box and whisker plot. We have to remember that each section or each quartile of the box and whisker plot contains the same amount of data. If 21 participants were asked, our middle number right here represents one person. These two quartiles will then represent the same amount of people as well. The lower half will be 10 people, and the upper half will also be 10 people, for a total of 21 people. Now, if you break this lower half into two groups of equal quartiles, this is going to represent 5 people, and this will also represent 5 people. And in our other upper half of our data, we have 5 people again and 5 people. So if we count up our quartiles, we have 5, 10, 15, 20, plus our one person in the middle, which is our median. So if the question is asking how many raised less than $56, our median looks about 56. So looking to the left would be how many are less. So we have 5, 10 people would be less. Going on to the next question, again, it says how many. So we're looking for an exact number, not a percent. How many of the 21 participants raised $50 or less? Well, we've already got all of the information in our box and whisker plot. So here's 50, and less would be 5. So 5 participants raised less than $50. I also just want to clarify your answer of 75%. If each quartile contains the same amount of data, each quartile also represents 25% of the data. So therefore, for this particular question, if it didn't say how many and it was asking what percent raised less than $56, again, it would be, here's our median of $56, and count up your percentages that are to the left. So 25% and 25% would be 50%. So 50% of the participants raised less than $56, which is the same as 10 people.